Hello everyone, my name is Jason.
I am Maggie.
Today we are on location at 8 at Woodley.
This condo is located very near to the MRT station as well as the shopping mall.
Today we have a lovely 3-bedder dual key unit for sale. But before we head up and check out the unit, let me show you the facilities. Come on, let's go. Now I'm actually standing outside this lovely 3-bedder dual key unit. Let me explain how this unit works. This is actually a unit that comes with a proper 2-bedder and also a studio unit. Buyers who buy this kind of unit are actually family members who want to have multi-generation living. That means the small family might stay in the 2-bedder and then the parents might stay in the studio unit. And the other type of buyers are investors. This is their only chance to own 2 units without having to pay ABSD. Come, let's check out the house. Now I'm actually standing at the foyer area of this dual key unit. There are actually 2 main doors. The first main door actually houses the studio unit, while the other one houses the 2-bedder unit. But let's check out the studio unit first. Come follow me. This studio unit is actually quite a sizable unit, whereby it's suitable for couple or a single person stay. It comes with an open concept kitchenette and also a fairly large living space whereby you can house a study desk and also the bedding on the other side. This is actually a queen size bed, and tucked at this corner is actually the modern design theme toilet. It actually comes with a stand shower as well. And the bonus for this studio unit is that it actually comes with a good size patio whereby you can have alfresco dining and also outdoor exercise.
So we have just completed a tour at the studio unit. We're going to bring you to see the 2-bedder next door. This 2-bedder comes with an enclosed kitchen, which is very rare for any 2-bedders, and even have an open window concept. Great for ventilation when you are cooking. So this is a very good size for 2 persons to be using this space for their cooking. Over here, you can see that it's a very spacious living area that leads on to the patio outside. So the bonus is that you actually can extend your livable space right at the patio.
Okay, so for this patio, there's actually a special gateway that leads you to the swimming pool directly.
On my right and the common room on my left. Let me show you the master bedroom. Master bedroom comes with very generous space for your wardrobe needs, as well as putting in a queen size bed. We then have some space for wardrobe as well over here. I'm going to show you the common bedroom here. In order to maximize the space, the owner has very cleverly built additional storage right here to maximize the space for your storage. There's actually a storage right below the bed, alright, as well as wardrobe on my left, as well as on my right here. So this unit comes with a common toilet right here. This is actually very spacious and also well ventilated as well with a window. This is to allow natural lighting to come in without on the light even during the day.
Once again, I'm Jason.
I'm Maggie.
We have come to the end of today's home tour of this beautiful 3-bedder dual key unit. If you are keen to find out more about this unit, please do not hesitate to call us today. Bye.
Thank you.